Hello, dear students, how are you? And welcome to your English class. So today we are going to learn about two different sounds in Spanish. That's the letter V and B, okay? So we are going to realize about the difference because in Spanish we don't have the V sound. And we say the same in the same way, vaca and bonito. But in English, it's very different. In English, you have to distinguish between the letter V, such as in vase, very, and the letter B, such as in vert, such as in B. Okay? So let's start with the class. I am going to share my screen. And the letter B. Look at this. That is the letter okay. So you have to show your teeth and your bottom lip. Okay. For example, try to say with me, vest, vase, violet, violet. On the other hand, the B sound, you have to put together your lips, B, okay? Ba, ba. Look at examples. Ball. Try to repeat, bird, B. Okay, so we are going to learn some characteristics with this diagram. Look at the letter V or the V sound. You have to show your teeth, and this sound is created by bringing the bottom lip to touch the top teeth. Look at that. You're releasing the air with the sound. The sound is vibrating and creating this friction. So letter V is fricative. What about the other letter? B. Ba, ba. Because you don't have to show your teeth, look at this, and only you have to put together your lips. And this explosive, you have to stop the air and release again. Look at this phonetic diagram, and we have, in this case, some characteristics about these two sounds, okay? The letter B is plosive, okay? As explained before, it's bilabial. You have to put together both of your lips, yeah? And on the other hand, the letter V, that is labiodental, and it's fricative. Both of them are voiced. That means you have to feel a friction when you put your fingers on your throat. Okay. Okay, so another difference is the letter V is continuous. It's continuous. Okay, so please, you can pronounce yes, and the other one is a stop sound. For example, okay, so we have some practice. Let's practice together. Try to repeat with me. For example, very rich. Repeat, very rich. And blueberry, blueberry. The other one, vest. Try to repeat, please. Vest, vest. Look at my lips. The other one, V, B, V, B. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to practice with me. Okay, so what about the first the first minimal pair. Okay, try to tell me base. Yes, vase. Very good. The other one, bent, vent. Excellent. Okay, please with the other one. Okay, try to say very, 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 very. And the last one, try to pronounce. Yes, very good. Bang, van. Okay, so we are going to practice a little more and you have to listen and choose the word you hear. Okay, so that is in this link and we are to practice together. For example, circle, what to say? What do you listen to? For example, listen, but, and you have to circle. In this case, I say, but. The next one, listen, please, listen. Curve, curve. Yes, you have to circle this one. Listen the other one. Pain, pain. Which do you think it is? Yes, very good. The last one, vending, vending. Yeah, very good. Okay, so we have to continue in this part, choosing the correct word that you hear. In the next activity, we are going to practice with a little fun, telling some tongue twisters, okay? But before that, let's practice some words of the vocabulary. No. Big, black, back, beat, bell, back, okay? Now, try to tell these words in a tongue twister game. That's a little fun. Okay, I am going to erase this and we have the next one. A big black bag beat the big black ball. Try to say this with me. A big black bag beat the big black bear, but the big black bear beat the big black bag. Okay, so try to do a little faster. A big black bag beats the big black bear, but the big black bear beat the big black bag. Yes? Okay, so that is a tongue twister game. The big black bag beat the big black bear, but the big black bear beat the big black bag. Okay? Yeah, yes, you can do it. Try to do it. Very good. In the next part, we have another tongue twister. Very bother, bosom bother, Bashi say the bother's bitter. If I put in my bother, it will make my bother bitter. Try to do it faster. Very bother, bosom bother, Bashi says the bother's bitter. If I put in my bother, I will make my bother bitter. Okay? Yeah, yes, very good. Try to do it again. If you don't, if you can't, try again. Now, with the letter with the sound V. Okay? Vivian believes Violet Bach can be very valuable. Yeah? Try to do it again. Vivian believes Violet Bach can be very valuable. Okay? And other one to have fun. Betty loves the velvet vest best. Okay, try to do. Betty loves the velvet vest best. Yes, very good. And the last one. Bouncy balls bounce very well, but balls that don't bounce are very bad. Try to practice, and I am sure you can do it better and you can realize of the difference between the and B sound. Okay, so remember, the first one is continuous. The other one is a stop sound. Okay, don't forget. Now, in the last part, we're going to give you a exit ticket, okay? You have a piece of paper with one word, and you have to pronounce your word. Try to look for your partner with the other word, and looking for the minimal pairs words sheet. Okay, and then please, you have to come to me and pronounce it correctly. Okay, so in pairs, you come to me and tell me, for example, van, van, vent, vent, box, box, vat, but, vase, vase. Okay, so please hurry up. And that is all for today. Goodbye.